Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. It's safe to say that the popularity of EVs and the popularity of Teslas has never been higher in Hong Kong. Let me show you the 5-year trend of EV adoption in Hong Kong. This chart is the full-year statistics from the Transport Department for 5 years from 2019 to 2023. The blue columns are the number of new EV registered yearly in Hong Kong. The green columns are the total number of EVs registered in Hong Kong. You can see that even back in 2019, Hong Kong already had over 13,000 EVs, with most of these being Teslas. Just like Toothless, a 2018 Model S that I drive. Nissan Leafs and Hyundai Ioniqs were other EVs sometimes seen early on in Hong Kong. Now, in 2024, Hong Kong has well over 75,000 EVs, and these account for about 12% of the total private cars registered in Hong Kong. This proportion of EVs will obviously increase, with Hong Kong aiming for 100% EV adoption by 2035. Over 50,000 of these 75,000 EVs in Hong Kong are Teslas. This means Tesla enjoys 2/3 market share of Hong Kong's EVs. Most of these are Model Ys, which is the most popular EV here in Hong Kong, and also in many other countries too. But there are disadvantages to owning a Tesla, both specifically here in Hong Kong and generally around the world. This video reveals what my third main disadvantage is to owning a Tesla. Just to recap, I have 2 previous videos that demonstrate my first 2 disadvantages in owning a Tesla. They are, number 1, the sky-high insurance premiums for Tesla owners. That video shows why the insurance for Teslas is so high. The number 2 disadvantage to owning a Tesla in Hong Kong is the negative reputation. Teslas are powerful and fast cars, and there are plenty of idiot drivers who use their Teslas aggressively, arrogantly, and selfishly. Again, there are plenty of dashcam videos of idiot Tesla drivers here in Hong Kong. As a result, there is a special term in Hong Kong for these Tesla jerks. Jerks driving Teslas are called Teslans. This leads me on to the number 3 disadvantage of owning a Tesla. The standard boring colors you see when you see Teslas. As I mentioned earlier, there are now over 50,000 Teslas in Hong Kong, and the vast majority are seen in the standard and limited range of colors. Invariably, you will mainly see white, black, grey and blue Teslas. And so it gets a bit boring seeing just these standard coloured Teslas. It used to be, say, 5 years ago, that my private driving game was to spot as many Teslas as I could. Fast forward to 2024, the driving game is not to spot how many Teslas there are, but to spot Teslas that have unique colours and customizations. Here is an example of my own customization of Toothless, which is Midnight Silver color. My Toothless is named after the Midnight Night Fury, after the Night Fury dragon in the excellent animated movies. What do you think of the green embellishments that I have put on Toothless? Please share your comments below. I prefer my customizations to be subtle and understated. If you think my customization is too subtle, the following images will show some special colors and outstanding customizations that I have seen in Hong Kong. What do you think of these? Please share your comments of them below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.